just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid that living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on a world forever. Until you gave up heaven so